So hello guys, do you hear me? Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna see our old videos. Oops. Wait, guys, wait. So this is my first old video. It's 10 June 2026, like you can see. I want to know how can you see that title, because I don't know how the title works. Okay, let's see our old videos. Don't just ignore the background, because that's my grandpa that's watching on Facebook, so ignore the background.
Oh my gosh. This is summer right now.
Yeah, that's when the YouTube comes out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is summer right now. So,
you could actually sleep in the floor, like that mattress over there. It's low-key kinda 8, bro. My house is kinda low-key kind of 8. Wait, I cannot hear myself. Look.
10 minutes later. I'm just gonna fix this.
Just ignore the background. I'm so tired right now. I don't want to make a video, but it's for you guys. It's for the comments.
Okay, and then
Okay, that's all. Oops.
Hey guys, today's roleplay is called Stuck in the Elevator with My Crush. I know it sounds odd, but guys, just trust me.
Okay, let's see our old videos. Oh, this one, I like this one.
no, I'm not choosing this, bro. Bakit ay
Actually, I'm a Filipino girl. I'm actually a Filipino girl. If you did not hear that, just click on the button here. More. It will show this. And you will see.
Ano baby?
Wala nga, Parang mas namitan mo.
Tinatulog ba?
Gagawin ko ng castle.
Bahay na nila.
George ka na lang. Okay, go.
Namin mo sa papa ni George.
Wala nga ako eh.
Sasabong daw siya. Wala nga.
Say pink castle, so
That's because that's pink because I really love pink.
Okay, so gagawin natin yung...
But I did not finish that channel, so I'm sorry guys if I did not finish that one. So let me just give another video
Oh my god, bro.
that I
I'm
will
not trying to.
read
Okay, guys.
the pink castle. I will just the pink castle. I will decorate it again.
Papa naman inano mo yung tablet ko. This is the world's biggest.
Bad friend.
ng Pilipinas, di ba?
Oopsies.
Oh my god.
Go here, go here.
That is my favorite design,
Okay,
guys. Don't judge me.
comment down below what should I add a carpet next. What carpet next? Lazy, I'm so lazy. Okay, next.
Yeah, I'm really lazy of going to school. So.
Good.
Careless. I really forgot what my videos. I really forgot
Okay.
what I did from my videos. So
I think it's
I'm
really bad
seeing my
though.
old videos.
Even though it's bad. Oh my god, so cute.
I'm louder. Okay, good.
Okay, oh my god.
Just print it.
Okay, we also need these here and these. Wait, bro, I'm always good at
We
these.
all need is print.
Show you all. Tonight I want to show you all. What you call it? A billion, but I never bought.
We're gonna fire like a Serby 12 tonight. I wanna show you all the finer things to life. So just forget about the world we own tonight. I'm gonna fire, I'm gonna fire. That's my favorite song of all time.
Akin kasi yan!
Ngayon lang sinarch yan. Ginamit niya.
Akin kasi yan eh!
Ginamit niya Tara kanina.
Huwag kasi akin nga yan! Akin yan
We
eh!
have a little argument, so what is that?
Alaka. Tagalog ako, guys. As you know, I'm also a Tagalog.
Stay away from long, don't go away, make you what?
Don't stay away from too long. Don't go away. I'll make you love and okay for your thing.
That's my favorite song too. Don't stay away. I made it.
So just
My
get there, okay,
voice,
sir?
I made it so good that now this is my voice. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go away. Make a cup of coffee or your day and make a love below. I won't day.
Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa is my favorite.
Oh yeah, Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa.
Ay, nakalimutan ko, guys.
Yeah, I forgot.
I forgot something.
66%. I always check what my battery is.
Also,
because I hate when I'm 20%.
We're going to the second
It's
floor,
a
guys.
little- I'm a little
Second
not using
floor,
any
no.
tablet at all.
First floor.
Like you cannot use your tablet if you're
Second floor. Go, girl, go.
like that's so stupid.
Oh my gosh.
I'll make you cup of the oil then make a love no I want it.
Kailangan ko to dito ko ilalagay lahat ng nakuha.
Girl, it's so
Bro, ayaw niya.
so
Ito yung... Yep.
oh
Bro, I'm rolling.
stop and that song. Stop using that song in my head. I always have that song in my head so I can sing. Just please one time. Don't mind that song, okay?
Ano baby, nag-English ka?
Nothing could matter, but I wish something mattered to you.
Gusto nga ako? Galing mo naman ng English. Galing mo
I
magsalita ng English.
sing my sins,
Sentoro sa'yo.
standing can feel no one around me.
Say the part.
We already have the part.
Comment down below if you want.
I know where's the part 2, but we don't have the part 3 of course. Where's the part 2? This is the part 2.
Now we just need to wait. Oh my god. Okay, we just have
Wait, I don't think this is the part 2. I think this is the part 1. Let's see, where's the part 2? No, this is How am I supposed to know this is the part 2 if the kitchen is already done? Okay, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. That's all.